So in this class, we're going to look at the discriminant. All right, it's going to be very quick. And if you recall the formula for the quadratic equation is equal to, we say x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So everything divided by 2a. So now if we get this part here, the square root part is the b squared minus 4ac. So this is the interior of the square root, okay? So this is what is called the discriminant. Okay, and so this called the discriminant, we have to check whether it is greater than 0. So if the discriminant, which is d, is greater than 0, then we say that the function will have two real solutions. So two real solutions or two real roots. So by these, the solutions, it means when we find the values of x, we're going to find the two of them. All right, so meaning you're going to have x is equal to maybe 2 or x is equal to 1, but you're just going to have two values of x. That's what it means here. So if you're having d is less than, so if d is greater than 0, then you're going to have two real solutions. Then if the discriminant, you'll find that it is less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then it means you are going to have two imaginary solutions. So two imaginary, meaning they're going to have the eyes and stuff. So you're going to have two imaginary solutions or two unreal numbers, unreal solutions, okay? Then the other one is when d is now equal to 0, that means you're going to have one real solution. So you're going to have one real solution and one unreal one, okay? But if you just state it as one real solution, that is enough. All right, and that is all that you have. So let's take a look at an example. So let's say I've been given x squared plus 4x minus 7. Then they asked us to describe the type of roots that this function has. So all that we need to do, we know that our a here is equal to 1, our b is 4, and our c is negative 7. So all that we need to have is the b squared minus 4ac. So let's replace what is our b. Our b is a 4, so we're going to say 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by our a is 1 and our c is negative 7. So what are we going to have here? This will be 16, then this negative, then it will be plus 28. So we're going to have, what is our answer here? So if we add this, this is 44, which is greater than 0. So therefore you can conclude that the function will have what? Two real roots. All right, and this is all how you find. If it's negative, then you say it as just according to this which I've put here. So that is all that you need. So if you try to solve this quadratic function here using this formula or any other formula, you're going to find that it's going to have two solutions. All right, you can go ahead and try out this one, x squared minus 6x plus 9. So if you try to get a discriminant here, this one only has one real root. All right, you can go ahead and try it out, but the answer is, the solution is that it has one real root. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you in the next class.